North Carolina presents a specific enforcement challenge. Private wage garnishment is prohibited for most consumer debts, requiring creditors to focus on bank levy and real estate enforcement. Here is the complete guide. Judgment interest rate. North Carolina judgments accrue interest at 8% per year. Judgment duration. North Carolina judgments are valid for 10 years and can be renewed for additional 10-year periods. Recording the judgment line. In North Carolina, a judgment becomes a lien on real property in a county when it is filed in the office of the clerk of Superior Court of that county and recorded in the judgment docket. Wage garnishment restriction. North Carolina does not permit wage garnishment by private creditors for most consumer and commercial debts. Only domestic support, student loans, taxes, and similar government-related debts can be garnished. This is the single most significant limitation on North Carolina judgment enforcement. Homestead exemption. North Carolina's homestead exemption is $35,000 per person, $70,000 for elderly or disabled debtors. This moderate exemption leaves real estate with equity above the threshold accessible. No tenancy by the entirety. North Carolina does not recognize tenancy by the entirety as a standard form of co-ownership for creditor protection purposes, making jointly titled property potentially accessible. Bank levy. The absence of wage garnishment makes bank levy the primary income capture tool in North Carolina. A writ of execution against a bank account seizes funds on deposit at the time of levy. Execution on personal property, non-exempt personal property, vehicles above exemptions, business assets, collectibles, is subject to execution through the sheriff. Debtor examination. North Carolina allows examination of the debtor under supplemental proceedings to identify bank accounts and other non-exempt assets. People Locator skip tracing identifies North Carolina debtor bank accounts for levy enforcement. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.